Hey everybody, my name is Mona. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that way you can get notified when I post videos. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at bitelife_Mona. So today I'm going to be taking you on my journey of learning how to do a burnout on my motorcycle. All right, y'all. So this is my baby. Oh, let me step back so y'all can see my Ninja. I'm about to get ready to upgrade soon, though. So, I just started riding last year, April 2021. So, I'm still learning some things, taking my time with it. Let me go ahead and start her up, get her warmed up. All right. All right, so this right here is my little bike gear closet. Got my gloves. Always gotta wear your gloves when you ride for safety. Right here, one of my helmets. I make the little braid ponytail on the back. Here go my other helmet. Oh, let me move this out the way. Got the dreaded pigtails. And right here is my first ever helmet I got. I did have the pigtails on there, but as you can see, the sticky stuff don't work anymore. And my visor broke off. I love this helmet so much, I didn't want to throw it away, so I got the goggles to go over. But I don't even really wear this one anymore since I got the other two. So, all right, you guys. So I'm all suited up, got my helmet on. See the little ponytail in the back? I just turned the motorcycle off so you can hear me. But I'm gonna let y'all ride with me to my location so I can get this burnout in. Got stopped at the red lights. All right, you guys, so I made it to my location. So let's get this burnout started. All right, so the curve method did not work. Well, you put your front end of the tire against the curve to, prevent you from launching off. But as you can see, I still launched off. Look at this. Woo. But see, luckily I'm on a 300. That's why I want to try this on a, bigger bike. Because you're holding back power when you're doing these burnouts and shit. So, when I launched off, I just pulled in the clutch, put the brake slowly and got it back under control or whatever. So luckily this isn't as much of a powerful bike as like a 600 and a 1000, because if this was like a 600 or a 1000, I probably would be up in the air right now. So we're gonna try this against a wall. All right, take two. And don't worry, you guys, because hey, I done fell off this bike before. I mean, shoot, if you ride motorcycles, anything, there's a chance you're gonna fall off, and I'm pretty sure that almost every biker has fell off their bike before. All right, y'all, so at least I got the back wheel rolling. Like when I first ever attempted, I could not get that back wheel rolling to save my life, but I'm getting there. I'm gonna get this burnout in. Practice makes perfect. So let's resume this. y'all. So at least today I finally got the back tire spinning, because the first day I tried to do a burnout, I could not get that back tire spinning to save my life. So, practice makes perfect. It was a little baby burnout. I think my problem was like every time I would, get it going and everything, of course my feet, I'm on my tippy toes. Remind you, I'm on my tippy toes when I'm doing that burnout. And it's like, when everything started leaning forward and you're trying to hold it back and everything, I somehow let go of the brake a little bit and lunge forward. But, I'm going to get it right. I'm going to get it down pat real soon.